The musculoskeletal system is made up of bones, muscles, tendons, ligaments, and other connective tissues that work together to provide structure, support, and movement to the body. Musculoskeletal pathologies are a group of conditions that affect this system, causing pain, stiffness, weakness, and other symptoms. Here are some common musculoskeletal pathologies. Osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative joint disease that occurs when the protective cartilage breaks down over time, leading to pain, stiffness, and loss of mobility. It commonly affects the hands, knees, hips, and spine, and is more common in older adults and those with a family history of the disease. Rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder in which the body's immune system attacks the joints, causing inflammation, pain, and stiffness. It can affect any joint in the body, and may also cause fatigue, fever, and loss of appetite. It is more common in women and usually develops between the ages of 40 and 60. Tendinitis. Tendinitis is inflammation of the tendons, the thick cords that attach muscles to bones. It can occur in any tendon in the body, but is most common in the shoulders, elbows, wrists, knees, and ankles. Symptoms may include pain, swelling, and loss of motion. Carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a condition that occurs when the median nerve, which runs from the forearm to the hand, becomes compressed as it passes through a narrow passageway. This can cause pain, numbness, and tingling in the hand and wrist. Rotator cuff tear. The rotator cuff is a group of muscles and tendons that surround the shoulder joint and help to stabilize and move the shoulder. A rotator cuff tear occurs when one or more of these tendons become damaged or torn, leading to pain and weakness in the shoulder. Herniated disc. A herniated disc occurs when the soft, jelly-like center of a spinal disc pushes through a crack in the tough outer layer, putting pressure on nearby nerves and causing pain, numbness, or weakness in the arms or legs. It is most common in the lower back and neck. Plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis is inflammation of the plantar fascia, a thick band of tissue that runs along the bottom of the foot and connects the heel to the toes. It can cause heel pain, particularly when taking the first few steps in the morning or after sitting for a long period of time. These are just a few of the many musculoskeletal pathologies that can affect the body. Treatment for these conditions may vary depending on the severity of the symptoms and the underlying cause. It may include rest, physical therapy, medication, or surgery. If you are experiencing pain or other symptoms related to a musculoskeletal condition, it is important to seek medical attention to receive an accurate diagnosis and appropriate treatment.